Hey, Technique Tuesday Nation, Master C back with you. I'm doing a little prep here. It's the beginning of our Escrima Arnis class, so I thought I'd share a little something. We're also getting ready, as I mentioned last week, for the Martial Arts Symposium, coming up very soon now, April 21st. So we're going to have Daitu Tim Hartman, one of Remy Presas' senior student, my late master, there. So definitely some other great discriminators as well. My teacher, Hachi Bruce Chutnick, will be there. And check the posters, just too many to mention. But anyways, we're going to be doing a lot of Escrima Arnis today. We have a lot of fun, and I've been doing this art my whole life. I started doing it for rank about 25 years ago in rank lines, but I've studied it since I was a teenager. One of my first teachers I was lucky enough was Remy Presas, Professor Presas, founder of Modern Arnis. He passed on about 23 years ago now, but I trained with him till he passed. I trained with his brother Ernesto, and I went, the drill I'm going to do today, I started with Remy, and then I actually worked on it with Vicent Cabalas. Vicent Cabalas is the inheritor of Serrada Escrima, Angel Cabalas, and my current Serrada teacher is Carlito, Bonjac, Maestro, incredible man. But anyways, enough. I just have so many great teachers, and I want to give them credit. This is an exercise drill, different names from the Philippines. I use the name Sombrada. Sombrada just means shadow. So instead of a self-defense technique where there's a good guy and a bad guy, and the good guy wins in karate, Sombrada goes back and forth. So this is a 3-5 or 6-12 count. We're going to just show it so you can have something to play with. And if you work on it before the symposium, I'm sure you can get some follow-up and pointers from those Maestro gurus there. So I got Guru, Trent runs this class. I just stepped on it for today for fun. So it starts with your basic 12 count strikes in Serrada or Arnis. So he's given me a 1. I come with a 3. He finishes a 4. And if we're doing a 3, we start over. So it's 1, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is how I count it. Some people call it a 3 because if you notice, these are the same 3 strikes, just with the other guy leading. Live hand is extremely important for people who are not just learning Sombrada. So we won't worry about it. Thank you, sir. Now, the other great thing I've experienced with this drill, unlike Kempo and Jiu-Jitsu, where if your uke or your partner doesn't know what they're doing, everything kind of slows down or goes wrong sometimes. You can carry your partner on these drills. You can bring them to higher places. So I grabbed one of the lower ranks today, okay? This is Emma. She actually, it's a reward. She is our student of the month for April for the Hambo Dojo. So the reward in our dojo is you get beat up by Kiyoshi. So you're gonna back up 1 step, sir, or she's gonna crotch shot you. All right, ma'am. All the bows you like. She knows a bunch of them. So we're gonna go. And I call this a burnout drill, meaning we'll start to go faster and faster as we go. Notice that Emma is really keeping up with me because my left hand is guiding her. So she's going faster than she can with her partner in class. We're done. All right, she blessed me there for Easter. So the idea is that she has never gone that fast in class regular, right? But you can guide them. So it's a progressive drill. And then of course you can add in all sorts of things. So when you do this drill, start slow, but work on that creative flexibility and burnout. So you're going fast until somebody, or if you get bored, you work traps, locks, and disarms. So if we're doing the drill, and it's the same 3 moves, and I've only done it for like 5,000 years now, so I might get bored while I'm doing it. If I want to end it, I can say stop, but that's no fun. So all I do is at some point during the drill, I introduce a disarm or a takeaway or a stab, or all of them if she still hasn't let go of the stick. She didn't let go of the stick. Serves me right for being nice. Want to try again? Try this side.
Yes, sir.
It's my good side. So, disarms or captures. That gets your live hand going. So if we're in the drill and I decide I want it to end, then I just capture. Not self-defense. This is not what I would do in a fight. Because if go ahead, really, it's fight safe. In self-defense, if I succeed in stopping her strike, I'm not giving her more shots, right? Rolling patterns are exercises. Just like I used to do dumbbell curls in kickboxing to get my uppercut stronger. I never used a dumbbell in the fight. Same thing here. So we're just working the different arts. Good, that's it, you're done. 5. So once they get good at that, look at her cross screen. Amateur. 1, 2, 3. I add 2 more strikes. And now I've included all of the original strikes. So I have the first strikes of Sombrada. Okay, and then you can add striking in if you want. You can do different things. As you can go back to 3, see if he catches it or not. You could play pickup sticks. We're not going to do that today. That's my Hanshi's game. When he worked the Escrima with me first, we'd play fetch. He would disarm, throw the stick, and I'd run and get it, bring it back. And I'd do the same thing. He'd throw the stick, and I'd run and get it. It took me years to catch on what was happening. Thank you, sir. So again, I just wanted to introduce Sombrada for those who aren't familiar with it. If you're familiar with it, just have fun with it. Or maybe you don't do in your line the added strikes, or you don't attempt disarms in it. Okay, my instructors are very open-minded. The grandmasters I came up under, and I've stayed the same way because of that. So all arts are good. You just got to choose what the right tool for the right job. All right, so if you want more of this stuff, talk to me. Go to kicksmediaproductions.com or come live to the symposium in Waterville, New Hampshire this year, not Manchester. We're at a huge ski resort. We're going to have a blast. So I'll see you on the mat.